love this show.
Girls, look after your little sister. Keep an eye on her. I have to go to work.
Oh no, not again! What do we do now?
Yeah, it's not gonna be a fun hangout.
Hey! Ouch! Let go! It hurts! Ouch!
Ugh.
Maeve, help! That's it. That's enough. Let's get out of here, Lily. We've got to find something to keep that little monster busy. Let's see. Hey, look at these pallets. They could be used to build a playhouse. All right, let's do it, sister. That's it. A little more. I think we need more pallets. You're right, sis. 4 is just right.
It'll do for a solid foundation.
Great! Can you help me with this? It's a piece of cake. Secure them with screws. Phew! This isn't easy. But we just started.
Our teamwork is going great. The sisters help each other with everything.
Wow, sis, we're off to a good start. High five! Don't you think there's something missing here? You're right.
We need walls. And the leftover pallets are great for that purpose. We can't do without a screwdriver.
I think I'm doing pretty good. Wow, real magic.
It's time to build a roof.
Good point.
Connect 2 slats and screw them on.
Awesome. Oh yeah, it's perfect. Whoosh! Look, Lily, I can do that too.
We're making a roof out of pieces of wood, like this. Let's fasten it right here and there.
Wow, Maeve, that's fantastic. And it's gonna be even better. Look at what I came up with.
Draw a rounded tile on cardboard. 1 arc, 2 arcs. Then let them out.
You're right, it looks cool. Oh yeah, time to paint this masterpiece.
Let's paint the piece sky blue. And now let's add pastel pink. The more colors, the more beautiful. It's done! Now we can cover the roof of the house with cardboard tiles.
Here you go. Thanks so much, sis.
Secure the piece with a furniture stapler. Put a new layer on top and do the same. Now this is a fabulous transformation.
We're the best. That's right, Daisy's gonna love it. I can't wait to paint the walls.
So what are we waiting for?
Go for it.
Let's use a fluffy paint roller.
Wow, what a juicy color. And I'm already done. Wait for me, Lily, there's not much left.
Bright colors are a win-win. And this color reminds me of strawberry ice cream. While the paint is drying, it's time to take care of the floor.
Well, what did I tell you?
Now that's what I call a rug. Cover the floor with a soft covering.
I'd like to spend the whole summer here.
I totally agree with you. And if you add a lawn, it would be even better.
Oh, I love plants. 1, 2, got it! Total delight.
Attach the lawn and done. Now you can walk barefoot. The lawn is there. We need some fluffy clouds. Let's use stuffing and a sheet of cardboard. Cut out the shape of a cloud from cardboard.
Wow, just like the real thing.
Wrap the blank with double-sided tape. Now let's remove the top layer. And then tightly glue the polyester to the cloud. Close all the gaps.
So cool!
And so fluffy. Put them on the ceiling. Wow, so beautiful. Now it won't rain.
I got it! Awesome!
A beanbag chair is just what you need for a comfortable stay.
Wow, thank you so much! Hey, what if we made a couple of shelves here?
That should be very convenient. Screw them in. Install the tray on top.
Let's see. Wow, it worked!
Decorate the tray shelves with beautiful decorations.
This is so cute! Boo! You should have seen your face. No time to fool around, Maeve. Get to the point. How about some nice curtains? This is gonna be very pretty.
A good old-fashioned stapler will help here too. Tie up the curtains with satin ribbons.
Delightful. This house lacks decorations. That's right, we need to make a stylish garland. We'll need colored foam sponges and wooden sticks. Draw a popsicle shape with a marker. Then cut it around the edges. 1, 2, 3.
Add the wooden sticks to the pieces of foam. For this, cut a hole in the middle. Before the glue hardens, insert the stick in the hole. Such ice cream will not melt in the heat. Glue the sweet work pieces to the ribbon, like this. Fix the finished garlands on the upper slats.
Wow, it looks really tasty.
Oh yeah, the main dream of a sweet tooth has come true.
Who ordered flowers? Wow, what a beauty. They look like they belong on the lawn outside the house. What do we think about the lights? I'm not sure. This cord looks horrible. What's that? Ew, a straw hat with holes in it. Oh, I think I have an idea.
This old accessory will become a fashionable lampshade. Unscrew the light bulb. Push the socket through the hole in the hat.
Nice and easy.
Now you can put the bulb in.
Very cute, but still something's missing. Bingo!
Bright pom-poms will fit anyone's spirits. Mexican-inspired decor? Why not? Glue a braid around the edges of the hat.
It looks great! I can't wait to light it.
Hang the lamp from the ceiling. 1, 2, and it's done.
It's so wonderful. It's just too hot in here. What do you think of? Should we put in an AC?
Lily has a better idea.
Everything genius is simple.
Well, no, it doesn't look very pretty. We need to decorate it a bit. We take off the front grille and add a bright ribbon. Tie a ribbon. Put the cover back on and enjoy the beauty and the fresh breeze.
Very creative. That's the word. And so refreshing. Oh, I almost forgot. Look what I found.
You can make anything you want out of a brightly colored constructor set. Lily decided to build a giant heart. Let Daisy know how much her big sisters love her.
What do you think, Maeve? I tried so hard. It's amazing. Let's hang it on the wall.
Now it's even more fun to build a construction set.
Wow, Lily, great idea. So where do we keep our little sister's stuff?
Wow.
Let's make an organizer out of these boxes. It would make a great chest for the princess. Well then, let's start with the paint. The mint shade is so refreshing. I love it.
Let's apply the stencil and paint the unicorn.
Awesome! Now we have to put them together.
These loops are just right.
Let's do it!
Fix the hinges with the screwdriver.
A couple of whooshes and the magic organizer is ready.
We put a divider made of a glittery foam sheet inside. And can we do without a mirror for the little fashionista?
Anything for my little sister.
Now it's time to add the little girl's favorite jewelry.
What have you got there? Wow, that's wonderful, Lily.
Time to show little Daisy her new house.
Uh-oh, I didn't think of that.
The baby needs a comfortable entrance. Let's use part of the pallet as the base.
We can make a climbing ladder.
Place brightly colored details in the form of a ladder and bolt them on. The ladder is ready.
Yay me! Here comes our little princess!
And it looks like she's happy with her new place.
Yes! We did it, sis!
Now Daisy can play her favorite games without distracting her siblings. And after playing, you can relax in the cozy chill zone.
What a cute little trunk! It can hold so much stuff.
All princesses love to dress up, and our Daisy is no exception. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Looks like there's a future beauty influencer growing up in the family. And it's so nice at the end of the day to roll into a comfy chair.
Thank you, sisters.